Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay at Bricks and Clicks. Last pallet from our shipment of 4. We paid $200 per pallet, total of $800 for customer returns. This time of year, you're not going to get a lot of customer returns in this type of merchandise. It's normally overstock. Got to check out the other 3 videos for this shipment because it was home run all day long. I mean, we're probably already at like $5 grand back in $800.
Yeah, I think we've only pulled a total of like 3 items
Out of 3 pallets so far.
Yeah.
Absolutely incredible.
that we're not going to use.
Yeah. So what we got. We're gonna get in a ton of smalls in this one. So we'll see what we find. Make sure to subscribe us. Hit that button over in that corner. Hit that subscribe button. It is free. Because we got a big semi coming on Monday, which is gonna be super exciting. 26 pallets coming in. It should be some really good finds, and we'll see what we come across.
A lot of stuff we're not used to messing with.
No, it's gonna be pretty freaking awesome. So let's see.
Skateboard.
Very nice.
I don't recognize that brand from when we worked at Toys R Us.
Very nice. So you got Everlast boxing, training gloves, round timer, and rats.
Interesting.
That's pretty cool.
Alright.
Could probably just keep that here for the best for ours.
Razor, skates, and they are brand new.
Here's another pair of razor skates.
I think these are like $70, aren't they?
Yeah, these are brand new too. So 2 brand new pairs of razor skates.
Nice. I'm pretty sure they're $70.
They say salvage on them.
Right, that's
Not
correct.
salvage. Brand new.
That
So
cracks
brand new razor skates. This here is actually new inside, just some balls are missing. So we'll go ahead and we'll put this in our pallet that we're gonna sell as a whole. But it is new inside, it's just missing some balls.
Are they in your wife's purse?
Ha!
See what I did there?
Yes
Ah.
they are, yes they are. So another meal plan thing, some Speedo glasses. This
Want
is the
cooler?
auction.
For when you're tailgating?
No cooler. Wait, it's our next pallet. I feel like a lot of this may end up if we can't lot it together.
On the next pallet?
Here's some Speedo flash jumpers. You know, these are pretty good money, and some of these you can send in.
Are we still doing all the lunch totes?
Yeah, we do the lunch totes for them guys.
Okay.
And you know, for us, we're already thinking springtime. You know, we're only a couple months away. Start loading up on some of the springtime stuff, and then we'll take advantage of buying it cheap, selling it high when springtime hits. Yeah, all these lunch pails, I'll snatch these guys up all day.
All day.
All day. The lunch pails are already sold. We will actually help out area nonprofits, and we will sell it to them for the price that we paid for the merchandise.
Yeah, looks like we got quite a few.
Another backpack.
Quite a few. Oh yeah, we got lots.
Big pool noodle.
Noodle.
Ah,
Oh my goodness, so many of
lot
them.
of them.
Yeah.
That's a Dragon Ball Z one.
Yeah, it wasn't worth anything. I think we ended up
Some
giving the
new
last one to them.
shoes. Swimwear, we can send that to Amazon. These are good money. The shoes we won't mess with. Can't really. These are. It's funny. We were looking these shoes up. They range anywhere from $28 to $35 a piece, but you'll sit on them too long.
Yeah.
Everlast.
Thermos actually sell really well. These ones actually have the spoons in them. I can hear them. There's more of those. Tell him to get back over here.
Oh yeah, we'll see if we can get a pile of them for him. Here's some resistant bands, gloves, more resisting or power handles. We'll make a lot of this type of stuff again. We have. I don't even think we listed these yet.
Nope, I just
Haven't
got
got
the
to
pictures
'em.
done. Oh, is there actually handles?
Yeah, for that. So then you'll have them because you attach to it. Pretty nice.
Yeah, we didn't have those in the last one. You had to buy them separately, which kind of stinks.
Ignite. Look at these. Solid.
Well, they want the
silicone.
drawstring brags.
Maybe, I don't know, why not. Oh, look at these. These are headgear for when you're swimming. Probably do a lot of those. I don't know what they're worth, but maybe worth something a lot for swimmers. When you
Oh,
put them on
those
your head.
caps?
Yeah. Me, even at $5 a piece, there's 20 bucks, and I'll ship first class or in the envelope all day. Ice packs, Speedo stuff, and all this stuff we're pulling out new. It's just we don't want to mess with it. So brand
like
new
beach toys.
little bike pad set. You know, it might only be 10 bucks. We got so much merchandise flowing in. It's really not worth the time. So we'll do research, add a whole new manifest, and add this to a pallet that we'll ship out ourselves to someone that may want to deal with it. Another ball.
And we'll be smart enough to list it as. Ooh, how are you listed?
Customer returns.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Cover yourself. If it's not listed as customer returns, then you'll get hit with liability
Yeah.
if they complain about anything.
They can call and get credit.
Yeah,
Alright.
take money right from you. Some more bags.
Brand new Coleman twin air mattress.
Well, probably at least 30 bucks, I would think.
Yeah, the other one we had, I think, was a queen. I think I listed it for 70 or 80.
It's brand new. Probably sell that locally for at least 10 bucks.
Hey, didn't we sell those? I feel like we had a lot of those last time.
I feel like we did. That's brand new.
More Antsy pants. We know these are good money. We've been sending all of these to Amazon, so we don't have to deal with it.
Yeah, like a ton of these Speedo goggles.
And
All brand new.
this chalk stuff, we all just want to.
At this point, yeah, we're
Because
not
we
going to get
already,
enough.
we already built a lot.
Yeah. More job. Anti-pan stuff.
And basically what we're doing is we're just separating the stuff like he said we don't want to mess around
Football.
with. We're just make our own pallet and sell the pallet to somebody else.
I kind of like that basketball.
Oh yeah?
I got 20 basketballs at home now. If LeBron's watching, I'm just saying, man.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah. You're just saying shut up,
Just
you got
saying.
no game.
I'm 5'6", but I got a nice shot on me from a distance.
Yeah.
Call me.
You better stay out in LA so you don't block your trash.
I see what's happening here. Mutiny.
Mute. I'm just calling it like I see it, bro. That's all.
Antsy pants. And some more chalk.
Did he buy those for his guys, those camelbacks, or what did he buy those for?
They'll do some stuff with some pry cuts. Look at these, odor and moisture remover for your shoes. Those are interesting. I've never seen those. But Antsy pants, good money. We'll ship those right out. Some more backpacks. Another nice football. We got quite a few footballs in this shipment.
What do you think about this? Picture net? I don't know if that's. I can't tell if that's original tape. I have to go with probably not.
Probably not, I would guess.
They put it in
Yeah, I just put it. At this point, this is a lot of smalls, a lot of backpacks for those guys.
Oh, yoga ball. We could probably lot of the Ignite stuff.
Yeah, I added right there some Ignite stuff.
Very nice.
Very nice, how much?
Ooh, there's a whole box here.
Of what? Curiosity, what's in the box? Headshots, we can send those to Amazon. I think they're like 15 bucks a piece, but better than nothing. Some bubbles, lots of bubbles.
Wow, this is all brand new sealed tape too. I'm guessing
Clean canteen. I don't know if we've looked those up yet.
probably some type of swim stuff. So it seems to be like last
Yeah,
time.
it's kind of theme in here.
I'm assuming you probably don't want me to cut up your
Ice
galley.
cream cutie float. Now you can, 'cause I'm gonna put, like, see how I did that one? I put another Gaylord over the top of it. So we got,
Ah. Brand new snorkel kits from Speedo.
well, shoot, there it goes. We could do a whole case of them.
No, we'll check
Family of
Amazon first. But I have a feeling that didn't work out with the. That didn't work out with the fins and stuff, right?
We haven't even tried that.
Yeah, we did, because I made cases of them.
No, I don't have my line on me. We
Oh.
did 4 and 4.
Yeah, but I'm saying we're not sending it to Amazon.
Oh no, I think
Oh, golf
it's a
glove.
lot of Speedo masks.
Do you need a glove?
I do not.
It's a women's. Should fit you perfect.
I got big hands. So, Sun Squad and Intex Pool. Like we don't have, we're not messing with pool. What's this big? A bunch of balloons.
Are you kidding me?
We
You
have
just
those
throw all those in there?
We have them?
I'm not saying those, but all those sun squads
Yeah.
that I took pictures
Those
of.
aren't swimming pools though. Those are swimming pools.
The other ones were too.
Swimming pools?
Yeah.
Oh, then take them out. We'll see how much these are then. I didn't know you were doing swimming pools.
I think those are around 40, 50.
I thought it was all the floats.
No.
Some Camelback. Those are nice.
Ice cream cutie, we already have that listed, so I just upped the quantity on that.
Hey, here's another one of those things. Sell them together. Be like $90
The
together.
same brand?
No, one's Ignite and one's Spree. Oh no, yeah, they're both the same brand. Yeah, Ignite by Spree and just Spree. Hey,
Cool.
look at that.
Igloo, you think you can? Yeah, that'll sound.
Those would not be able to sound. Igloo seems to be good money. So far, there's been nothing used out of this. It's a nice backpack there.
I like that color. Looks like the Genoa colors.
Yeah, doesn't it? That's crazy.
Are you thinking the kids?
No, they don't want that crap.
They don't like the Genoa colors?
My kids are ungrateful of my love.
That's kind of harsh.
I know.
Hopefully they never watch this video.
I was gonna be watching it later. There's another one of these. Oh yeah, we do a lot of 3. Maybe a gym will buy them.
Yeah, I mean, it's amazing how many people have reached out to me about some of the gym equipment that we have. I almost wonder if we should put some of it
Tons of
online
Speedo.
too.
Man, I'm starting to feel like all these bunch of balloons. I should have made a lot of them.
What do you think about these? I don't think we have enough to do a whole lot anymore.
Yeah, if we don't, we'll just add it to the next freaking pile. We're getting a couple of things out of here. Is there a needle in here? No.
There's a lot of good backpacks and lunch pails, so that's nice. We can call those guys up and get those out.
Yes. New bike pump. I mean, basketball pump. How many times I can't find one at home because the girls broke the needle off of it, and there's a new pump for me.
Brand new.
I'm gonna take that baby right home.
Fanny pack for you. Fanny pack cooler.
Could put some bourbon in it.
Is that my color?
I think it matches your eyes perfectly.
Nice.
Some Sun Squad.
Oh,
Pretty nice stuff.
I don't know what the heck's in here. This is a heavy ass box.
Ontario. I feel like that's like slime. Or, you know,
Jesus.
something along that slime stuff.
It ain't slime. Too damn heavy.
Swimway. Like that compound stuff.
Well, you were close. I will give you credit. It's bubbles.
Oh, shoot. That's a lot of bubbles.
It's pretty heavy. I'm not gonna lie.
Good, that's the pallet. Hey, here's a OGO bag. These are like $90 a piece.
Is it? Yeah, that's.
I think we already have that.
I just update the quantity.
Some more backpacks.
Wow, bubbles. Some heavy ass bubbles.
And there are so many smalls down here. These are cool. Super splasher.
So are we deciding not to keep these then?
I don't think they're worth that much. Maybe, what do you think, like $10 a piece?
Yeah,
By
probably.
the time we even put them in a box and combine them, shipping is gonna be so damn much. I feel like
something we can send.
if we were nickel and diamond at this point,
What's that?
I can check to see if we could send it. I doubt it though. Some more swimways.
Here you go, a few more.
2 more swimways. And almost all of the swimways can just be sent right in. I mean, just the swimways alone could pay for this whole pallet.
Another OGO bag.
Oh,
$80. I think I got that listed already too.
I feel like I might have sent a black one.
This pool we're gonna put.
Oh, that's going in the pallet.
Yeah, for sure.
Add that right into the pallet.
Condition of the box is too bad. You don't know if there's a hole, if it's been popped, if it's been returned. We don't want to sell this to a customer.
Do that for you.
Because I'm the only one that probably has the
Here's
box
our
cutter.
knife. This is empty.
What
Nothing's
is it?
even in it. Body glide, clean release. There's a nice Swiss gear. You know, it might be 40 bucks, 50 bucks. We'll have to check that one out. It's garbage. I don't know what it is.
Garbage.
Garbage.
Oh, these are bubbles.
Nothing-
Bubble stick.
Nothing for us.
No, not at all. Comes with the batteries though. Anything of bubbles? I'm ever blowing bubbles.
Just a lot of smalls at this point, guys. Not a lot left in here. But I tell you what, just these little toasts we got over here, I bet you tally up close to 700 bucks, $1,000. It's crazy how quick this stuff will add up once you start putting the manifest, adding it all in.
And that's retail value, not market value.
These camelbacks are good money. We can do a lot of those.
Please fall in. I mean, hey,
Not gonna
be
happen
careful,
today.
Be careful.
So the camelbacks are like 15 bucks a piece. So just in these, we got 60 bucks out of that pallet. So that's a good find. And then, I mean, there's just a little bit of more small things down here, but not much. I mean,
All stuff we'll just end up adding to our manifest.
yeah, we'll add it right to the manifest. But I mean, on a manifest at retail value, I bet you there's 300 bucks down here. I mean, the shoes, you got 40 bucks in shoes, another 30. So there's probably $100 in these 3 pairs of shoes. You know, overall, this is another good pallet for us. A lot of smalls, but we're not even gonna deal with most of it. And then the bags, we're gonna get over to the nonprofit. And then we got some stuff for ourselves to ship out. And I'm gonna say those 4 pallets for 800 bucks, home run.
Good money.
You don't like saying home run, but it was a home run shipment.
Good money. You say home run all the time.
That's all I ever strike. That's all I ever hit. I strike. That's
How'd
all I
that
ever
work
hit.
out?
That's all I ever hit. Home runs. That's it.
Oh.
So that's what we got for you guys.
Clearly, you're
We
not
got
a golfer.
the next 2 pallets. I'm super stoked for. First time ever. Make sure to subscribe. But the first time ever, it's children's bedding and stuff like that, which I think would be huge for us because you got a lot of Toy Story stuff.
We're doing a lot of
Fortnite.
first here, aren't we?
Yeah, a lot of first times, and I don't know, didn't see it over the weekend, but the Wreck-It Ralph 2 blankets sold, so that was nice. There's a lot to send out for 40 bucks, and we got 2 pallets of a lot of kid stuff in. So make sure to subscribe, check us out, and we'll get this all cleaned up and get to the next pallet. We appreciate you guys watching.